You stole from Happy's Burger Bar. Listen, the amount of emotional distress that it's caused me for the past 3 hours, they can give me their Roomba. They're never gonna find him again. I'm gonna take his Roomba home, I'm gonna spoil him, I'm gonna put googly eyes on him. I'm gonna clean his scrubby bristles. I'm gonna give him the best life a Roomba has ever had. Here you go, little guy.
Whether you live to work or work to live, you're going to need some stamina, some motivation, some vitality, and sure,